Okay, well, hey, good morning. I was just checking the forecast here this morning, and all looks questionable. This morning is the Amish Country Bike Tour, the 37th annual edition of this ride, and it is always a really popular event on the Delaware riding calendar because it's a chance to really enjoy central Delaware, the farmland, countryside. It starts and finishes in the capital of Dover. And some people talk about this as the ride for pie because the last stop is at an Amish country school where they serve locally baked pie. What else can I say? I mean, what's not to like about that? This is, I believe, my 5th time and the 2nd with my son, whom I'm looking forward to catching up with. It's always a huge blessing to have so much time to spend together like this, so that's awesome. This ride has a lot of options. There is a 16, 25, 50, 62, and 100-mile option. We're gonna do the 62 because that's just kind of where our bodies are at right now, but it is a rain or shine event, so we're gonna go for it regardless of the forecast. There are threats of really bad weather in the afternoon, but this morning, maybe just some rain. Well, we'll see how it goes.
Places to get dinner during the week, and then you can do stuff on the weekend. Go out for coffee. And we're off. That would change the dynamic pretty drastically. Stop number 2.
Something tells me we're stopping for pie. Yep. Pie.
Pie.
Pie. Cherry.
Cherry over here, pumpkin in the
apple.
middle, apple on that end.
Cherry, pumpkin, and apple.
I've got kiwi.
Pumpkin also.
Pumpkin also.
There we go. Boom. Okay, for the record, Jack, what did we just see?
Camel.
A camel.
Westville Road.
A camel. Wyoming. Here we are. I wish I would have had that on record. My son sounds just like me. You know how I always say the name of towns? He does the same thing. And he sounds just like me. Hey, where are we?